Hey guys, welcome back to Technicalomor YouTube channel. If you're a new parent, you already know that washing baby bottles, pump parts and feeding accessories can become one of the most repetitive daily tasks. Between feeding, changing diapers and trying to catch a little sleep, spending extra time scrubbing bottles isn't exactly ideal. That's where smart appliances like the Momcozy KleanPal Pro Baby Bottle Washer and Sterilizer comes in. Instead of simply washing bottles, this all-in-one machine automatically washes, sterilizes, dries and stores them hygienically, helping parents save valuable time every single day. Today, let's take a closer look at what this machine offers and see why it has become one of Momcozy's most popular baby care products. Inside the box, you get the Momcozy KleanPal Pro Baby Bottle Washer and Sterilizer, bottle washer cleaning tablets, and the essential accessories and documentation needed to get started. One of the biggest highlights of the KleanPal Pro is that it combines 4 important functions into one machine. It automatically washes, steam sterilizes, dries and stores baby bottle in a single cycle. Instead of moving bottles between multiple appliances and drying racks, everything happens inside one unit. According to Momcozy, it can clean up 4 baby bottles at the same time, making it suitable for families who go through multiple feeding sessions every day. Cleaning performance is another area where this machine stands out. The KleanPal Pro uses a triple layer spray washing system combined with 26 multi-angle water jets and up to 22,000 PA of water pressure to clean bottles from multiple directions. This helps reach both inside and outside surfaces, including areas that are often difficult to clean by hand. Even if you're in a hurry, the rapid wash mode can complete a cleaning cycle in as little as 19 minutes, making it very convenient during busy days. After washing, the machine continues with high temperature steam sterilization. It uses 212° Fahrenheit steam to help eliminate germs before moving on to the drying stage. Instead of leaving bottles wet on a drying rack, the KleanPal Pro uses a dual-layer drying system that helps dry bottles evenly and prepares them for next feeding session. Once the cycle is complete, the machine can also keep the bottles stored hygienically for up to 72 hours. So they remain clean until you are ready to use them again. Another advantage is its versatility. This isn't just for baby bottles. The KleanPal Pro is designed to clean a wide range of feeding accessories, including both wide neck and narrow neck bottles, wearable breast pump parts, flangels, sippy cups, silicone tableware, pacifiers, teethers, and other small baby essentials. That means one machine can handle most of the items parents use every day during feeding routines. Different families had different routines. The Momcozy has addressed by offering multiple cleaning options. The KleanPal Pro supports 9 mode combinations, allowing parents to choose a cycle that best fits their needs. Whether you only need a quick wash, a complete wash and sterilization cycle, or dyeing and hygienic storage, there is a suitable option available. This flexibility makes the machine useful throughout different stages of baby feeding journey. The internal layout is also thoughtfully designed. The lower rack is intended for baby bottles and larger feeding items, while the upper rack can hold smaller accessories such as nipples, bottle caps, flangels, pacifiers, and similar items. The organized arrangement helps ensure water reaches every item effectively during the cleaning cycle. Momcozy also includes extra value with the purchase. Every KleanPal Pro comes with a 1-year warranty along with 60 official Momcozy bottle washer cleaning tablets, so you can start using the machine immediately without purchasing cleaning supplies separately. Overall, the Momcozy KleanPal Pro Baby Bottle Washer and Sterilizer is built to simplify one of the most repetitive jobs for parents. Instead of manually washing, sterilizing, drying, and storing bottles separately, it brings all of the steps together into one automated process. The combination of powerful multi-angle cleaning, high-temperature steam sterilization, efficient drying, flexible wash modes, and hygienic storage makes it a practical addition for families who regularly use baby bottles and breast pump accessories. If you're looking for a solution that helps save time while keeping your baby's feeding essentials clean and ready to use, the Momcozy KleanPal Pro is definitely worth checking out. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Technicalomor and press the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech and smart lifestyle product reviews. Thanks for watching. and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.